Hey folks, welcome to Turkey Town TV. Hope everyone's doing well out there tonight. This is the second episode of this unboxing deal, and I'm really liking it. People are just dropping shit off here all the time. It's starting to get pretty cool. Not 100% sure what we're going to open here. Our local beer rep wanted to give a bit of swag here for the boys and the volunteers that make the Turkey Town Mud Bog happen. You know, without our volunteers, you can't pay volunteers, not because they're worthless, but because they're priceless. Don't ever forget that. So it's really nice to be able to have a little bit of swag and some prizes and just a few little gifts and little tidbits of thank yous to give back to the crews that, you know, help make these events possible. So we're going to open this up, see what we got. Oh, pretty green. Rolling Rock. I should have had my glasses on, I guess, eh? What do you think of that? Maybe you'll have to come over and have a few drinks with me some night. Nice thick glass, you know. You got to keep the boys fed and watered here when they're in the shop, and I'm pretty pleased with that. Thanks very much, guys. Much appreciated. We'll be sure to put these to good use, and can guarantee you the next time you see them, they ain't going to be empty. We're going to get back to doing some other shop work, but if you see anything you like, be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.